This is quite a farty sofa. So we're going to do a bit of MotoGP 2018.
We are indeed,
We're going to see who's the boss.
Yeah, we ahead of the launch, we've got a dub plate version.
Is this not even out yet?
No.
That's how cool we are.
That's how cool we are. We've got some lovely snacks.
Yeah, we've eaten most of them off camera preparing though. We did have some poppadums, but
M&S poppadums.
simply the best. And we've only got 5 cocktail sausages left.
2 each then.
5.
Well, you got one in your hand. So MotoGP, it's pretty exciting at the moment, isn't it? Not bad.
It's pretty good. Fresh after Lorenzo's comeback. Do you want to go first? Because I'm not very good.
You go first.
Do you know I used to test video games as a job? Quick modes.
Yep. Grand Prix.
Grand Prix. We've got to go to Jerez, haven't we? Because we're fresh from our holiday.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I actually quite want Dobby and that. Yeah, okay. I can't believe we've eaten all our snacks.
Waste.
Who's that? It's supposed to be Cal Crutchlow, is it?
Yeah, so again, new for this year is the riders' faces. They're not. Some of them are really good. It's like Jamie Whittam.
Let's do this. Come on. Oh.
Gears, mate. Gears.
And we're off.
Rookie.
Do you think I'm going to get the whole shot?
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Oh, the speed. Oh, hello, mate.
We've come to the conclusion already that Ducati is the best bike.
Yeah.
I think that's safe to say, isn't it?
Yeah. That wasn't my fault. I got pushed offline.
Whether or not that's a coincidence that... Oh dear.
Oh, what was that? I struggle with that corner in
real life as well, yeah.
Go on, I need to stop talking.
Okay. So yeah, fresh today.
Oh! Oh! The curbs they aren't that violent in real life, are they?
Well, they are if you hit them. You've got to change gear, mate. Yeah, fresh for news today. Danny Pedrosa has left HRC. Everyone obviously was expecting that anyway, but who's going to fill the seat?
It's you, isn't it?
Yeah. I'd love to just wild card just from. I mean, they're not going to get anything out of it by having some other racer finish 10th, are they? So why not get a journo, a morbidly obese journo, to finish last and get lapped a couple of times?
Yeah, or right off their £500,000 fucking superbike.
£500,000. Nice.
It's the bumps.
You're trying too hard again.
No, I'm not. It's the bumps.
New for this year. I think the last couple of MotoGP games have been really good. Don't be wrong. I think this time they've drone measured, drone mapped the circuits, so they're even more precise, and they are pretty damn close, aren't they?
I know exactly where I am.
Yeah.
That way.
But the way the sort of undulations and the hills and peaks and troughs and everything's pretty well in proportion. Ooh, that's not nice. Oh yes.
Oh, saved it. Pretty pitiable. Even Dolly knows it. Sorry, mate. I used to be so good at video games. It's fucking shit now.
The bikes are so different, aren't they? They really are very different. I'm not saying we should do FP1, FP2, FP3, FP4 qualifying, but that there is your time to get used to the bike before a race.
Yeah, that's true.
Unless you'll keep constantly on the same bike on the same track, it is quite difficult.
I think the most impressive thing is just riding around Jerez. Then it's like 100% accurate.
Yeah,
100% accurate.
Yeah, and I think the physics and the dynamics are pretty good.
Yeah,
I think they're harder than a couple of years ago.
It's definitely harder, but it's definitely quite a hard game.
But that's obviously they've made it that way because people were getting too used to it.
Yeah, and if you do a championship and you're, whoever in the championship, then you're going to get used to that bike, aren't you?
Yeah.
And we haven't even gone into the settings yet.
No.
Which I assume you can play around with.
Exactly. I think there's more settings this year. You can do more to the bikes and tyre management and that sort of thing. And also there's tyres, yeah. There's a new for this which is the big thing, is the Unreal engine, which is the same as Fortnite. I'm going to go for...
That's it.
GoPro British Grand Prix with...
Talk about extending your laps out. Choose the longest bloody circuit.
My best mate, Cal Crutchlow.
Is that my sausage, is it?
Yeah.
Well, it's not.
Hello! Tyre compound. What should we go for? Well, Honda's got to be the hardest front, isn't it?
Why?
Because you can't get enough heat in the tyres about it.
But surely soft, we haven't got tyre wear on, so it's going to deliver the most grip.
Okay. Come on, Cal. And his childbearing hips. Oh, bad start.
How many times have you raced around Silverstone?
Not enough!
Hundreds. Sorry, you're only off in the first corner. Maggots, Beckett's.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, avoiding action, that was quite gentleman. Oh, okay. Even there's that little crest where you do a little...
Oh no! Oh dear.
I quite like the way you get, like, you can see the shock pump on the rear. That was a 2 minutes 12 lap time. That's not bad, actually.
Well, it's not bad if you're on a Ducati 899. Oh yeah, he's on it now. He's on it.
That was good. Wheelie over the crest. Oh! Do you brake crooked or something?
I think I must do.
Manual's actually a lot easier, I think.
Definitely.
It gives you a bit more of a sense of where you are, like reality. Oh, I'll just do it. Oh! And this is on the medium setting, isn't it? So
yeah,
it's pretty hard.
It is pretty hard.
But that's good. I like a challenge. I hate games it's too easy. What are you doing? I quite like the way when you look round, the rider looks over his shoulder though. That's quite cool. Turn around. Surely you're going to hit something in a minute. Oh, okay, so should we try a bit of career?
Let's try a bit of career.
New career.
Yes, there he is.
Can you actually change his face?
Yeah. Good face.
I've ridden one of these bikes.
You have?
Brookie's Cup.
Yeah, badly.
What's your favourite GP moment of all time? Okay, what's the one that pops into your head straight away?
Schwantz at Redgate in 92 or 94 or 95.
Or 90 something.
Yeah, early 90s. Yours?
I don't know. I quite liked reenacting our Rossi Gibernau round the final. Well, Lorenzo corner at Jerez.
Yeah. That was your best MotoGP moment.
It was. Playing make-believe.
Was a better start.
Oh, it's so much flightier. Yeah.
Oh yes. Liquid. Catching him.
Oh yeah.
Go on, my babber. Go on. Oh. Pro.
Come on, boys.
This is the fastest lap of the race. Got to be. 152 fastest lap. What's yours? 51. Oh, mate. Fastest lap. Moto 2.
Have you used that? Oh, R1.
Yeah. Let's go. Oliveira.
Yeah.
44. KTM. Boom.
Job done.
Track. Let's go.
Valencia.
No, I'm going to go one of my favourite circuits, Qatar.
Good start with the manual box.
Whoa! What? I didn't do anything.
Clearly.
Shit.
Does look awesome, that bike. That's the best livery.
Yeah. Oh, I love it already. What a bike.
Oh yeah.
Have some of that.
Have you ever ridden a Moto2 bike?
Yes.
Is it amazing?
Yeah. Not as amazing as a TZ250.
Ooh, that would have been beautiful, but he kind of just was a bit of a bully. That was nice.
A bit of a bully.
I don't like bullies.
I'm not here to touch each other's willies, mate.
Could have fooled me.
Oh, this is definitely
yes.
my favourite. I could play this all day. This is definitely my favourite class. Oh, late on the brakes.
Get everyone's shock pump.
Slipstream works.
6 seconds off fast lap.
Whoa!
You need to sort it out, mate. It is weird at night, isn't it? Because when I did Abu Dhabi,
The shadows.
the shadows.
Yeah.
It
You go, oh, someone's coming inside
someone's
of me.
inside of it, but
Yeah.
it's just yourself.
Got a fire, mate. Oh, involved in a battle now. Here we go.
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! Sorry, mate. Sorry, Jules. That weapon Manzi.
Oh! It's all getting a bit violent now. Oh! Oh! That was pretty accurate though. I was like, you shouldn't get away with that.
Oh, bloody hell!
Bloody hell! Bloody Qatar! Here he goes. What's he gonna get?
Do you want to go Moto 3? Or we've got to do our live stream now, haven't we?
We've got to do a live stream.
Yeah.
Live stream? But let's come back and play this later.
Yeah, okay.
Leave a message, see who you want to get on.
Yeah, who's your favourite rider? And we'll get them on this sofa.